What's up, chat? No, I'm late by like 10 minutes. I got caught up doing some stuff, but we're not that late because market's opening just now. Um, this is a trade I took yesterday. Let me do something here. Okay, it is yesterday's trade. I forgot to stream yesterday. Okay, I didn't forget. I couldn't. I wasn't at a place I could stream. I wasn't at home, in short, and I have like a cold, so my voice is cracky. So bear with me. Okay, already dropping. Let's remove these. Okay, let's look at the daily first of all. So on the daily, you can see we're just bullish. We after we swept this low, it's just been a continuous reversal. We're just going up and up and up. So yesterday we swept this high. Um, Today I'm now looking for this high, and then eventually I want us to get to this one. This all-time high. This all-time high for the Nasdaq. Um, so I'm expecting manipulation to the downside so that we can find a buy opportunity, and then we take a trade, bullish trade. Or, so let's remove that because it's not useful anymore. We swept the sell side. This was a very big trade for yesterday. I'm sorry I couldn't stream it. Um I took a trade based off of this 30-minute inversion. Yeah, we swept liquidity, we reversed, made that inversion, took a trade off of that, targeted this high, and as you can see it hit very nicely. Uh-huh. Now let's look at what are we looking at. So on the 1 hour, I forgot to point this out. We have this breaker. So this is what I'm waiting for today, possibly. If it retraces far enough, I want it to get into this breaker so that we can take longs. This echo it will be a good long off of this breaker, stops below it, and then take profit here. So 3.8 RR. It's a good risk to reward. Or you could even hold, though that's not favorable. It's too far away. The high is too far away. So this will be the ideal trade for today or tomorrow. When it's today. Today is Thursday, right? Yeah. So this would be the optimal trade for either today or tomorrow. So I'm hoping to get it today because tomorrow I don't want to hold trades through the weekend. Let me set this to this time frame only. This one too. So this is a breaker, or you can call it a support level. It doesn't really matter as long as you understand the concept. I trade ICT, but I use a little bit of support and resistance logic. Um, so on the 15 minutes, it's still trying to push lower. We might sweep, actually, we might sweep here, then go back up because we opened pretty bullish today. We didn't even get like just opened and went up. So this low is really, it's a lot of liquidity. Yeah, let me say that. Um, let's go lower. Let's go to the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, nothing yet. Let's mark this as sell side. Um, so there's also sell side here. London low. Yeah, you might also sweep that and go up. Oh, what's it's also equal lows. You can see it's almost the same level. Okay, it's not that equal because it swept this low. Okay, let's wait and see what Nasdaq does. Let's go over here. Take a look at the S&P. Also bullish. Was they go together, Nasdaq and the S&P. So there's an inversion. Yeah, this is an inversion. It's maybe used by price to go higher, but I usually don't like taking PDRAs from this far ago. Like this was in April. Oh hey, that's not that far. But it was the beginning of last month. So it's not really convincing, but it could be a factor. But generally I don't like using PDRAs from that far ago. Let's go to the 1 hour. Actually, we shouldn't be analyzing on the 4 hour. We just be using that to find draws on liquidity. So we have these two highs that we want to sweep on ES today or this week. ES also had a good trade yesterday on the 15 minutes. Let me just show you this little breaker. So we swept liquidity, went back up. You could either have entered off of this inversion here. As you can see, this candle inverted, then this next candle retraced and then flew. Or you could have waited for this to be made a breaker. It was this candle made it a breaker. We retraced to it, sniper entry, all the way to TP. This was my target, this high right here. And it was hit. Um what what do I want to do? Okay. Wanted to this is an inversion here on the 1 hour for ES. Though I don't see it going that low. It should have tested it with this candle. Um Going that low today would be abnormal, I would say. But we can see an order block on the 4 hour, so it's still possible, still very much possible. Let's label this and set it to only this time frame. This is also a breaker over here, this one. So this is what price is most likely to react to because it's inside this 4-hour value gap. Unlike this one is like below the gap but inside an order block. But if we're bullish, we don't want to see a retracement that's too deep. We don't want to go too deep because sometimes the market gets lost in the sauce, just goes deeper and deeper to your stop loss. That trade doesn't happen. So yeah. So this is also something. This is what I want to see for today. This breaker, then we buy this high, this high. This is the 1 hour. Let's drop lower. It's too high. The 15 minutes. We're still dropping. Where are we now on the Nasdaq? We swept this low. So far, no reversals yet, and no fair gap. Okay, we had what time is this? So this is the first presentation. Fair gap. This one right here, and this one used it to go lower to take out this low. So let's keep analyzing ES. Let's drop to 5. On the 5, still nothing. Looks like chop. Still waiting for sweep of sell side, then we go up. Possible sell side could be we have this low, which has already been swept. That's pretty much it. This low, and it has already been swept. So if we're going to get a reversal, it's going to be now. I highly doubt that though. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. We're still chopping. Okay, Nasdaq is doing a slow push up, not really significant. Okay, we got a nice push up. Hopefully we form a fair gap over that inversion. That's not be convincing. Let's look at the 5. What's it doing on the 5? The 5 is also kind of weird because there's no momentum like at all. So if I was to take a loan, I'd probably be watching out for this. I want this that's all prompt me to take a loan. I want this CISD. Okay, it's almost getting there. I just needed to close like above this weeks or like above the halfway point of those weeks. Then I can take a loan. Yeah, yeah. Close there, please. Yeah, good. That's a good push. That's a good push up. Now I just needed to close above there or where it's at right now. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah. Now I just needed to close there. Good, 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 good. That's a good sign. So now I'm going to take a long off of here. Stop. I'll place my stop here, like around the value gap, maybe. Yeah. Then we can take profit here. And take profit here. Mhm. Wow, that's far. I had no idea it was that high up. We're moving slowly currently, very slowly. So let me try this. Let me set a limit. Let's do 0.02. Yeah. Okay. Seems it doesn't want to tag me in. It's just flying away. Let's look at yes. Oof. Yes is still looking bearish. That doesn't look bullish to me at all. Let's look at the 5. Yeah, that doesn't look bullish at all. What about the 15? 15 is just chop. Same here. Um, this one not too sure. I should probably lower my risk here because it's not starting to look like a real valid trade. Yeah, let's just risk 0.01. Yeah, Come on, bro. Just tag me in. Tag me in. Let's go. Let's go. Tag me in. Okay. In. Let's see how this goes. Okay. So far, nice reaction. Nice, nice, nice. Immediate push up, down. I didn't even expect this to work. It's a low probability trade because the market is still choppy. Do we have news today? I think we have news at 10. Do we have... Yeah, we have ISM manufacturing PMI at 10. So that's definitely something to watch out for. This is so cracked. It's coming back down. And we're back to my entry. Sorry about that. Um, I had to deal with something here. Damn, straight stop out, I guess. I came this close to my stop. This is sweet. Yep. Stop. Currently at I told you all this was a low probability trade. I mean, I had like some faith in it, but yeah, didn't believe it that much because of the chop. Chop was too much. So what now? This is nothing. Nothing is looking promising. Today just looks like it's going to be a shitty day. Not gonna lie. Nothing looks like it's going to go good. Just looks like shitty price action. Think we'll just stick to the 15. Or was it the 1 hour? Which one had the breaker? I think it was the 1 hour. Problem is that's not a good time frame to be trading for scalpers. But let's just watch. So currently we're dipping again. We're still going lower. We have news right now. There we go. Nothing? Okay. Ugh. So it's probably going to come back now, down, and then sell hard. This is an inversion. See right here. It's not that valid though. I wouldn't take it still, even if I saw it. So let's look at what it's probably going to continue lower today. Today is a very slow day. Very slow. Shit is very slow. He was starting to push up, which is weird. Don't be chopped again, please. Leave a fair value gap, please. A silver bullet, please. Bro, this is just chopping, bro. I'm not sitting here and watching this shit. I need to deal with something, so I'm gonna leave for like 10 minutes and I'll be back. Guess who's back? Still nothing. Okay, this looks like a breaker, but this right here, this looks like a breaker, but it's not. Ask me why. It did not sweep liquidity down here. See this move down, it didn't sweep any liquidity, so it doesn't qualify as a valid breaker. It could still drive price up, but it's not valid. It's not valid. Damn. I'm closing my chart at 10:30 because if we don't get a setup before 10:30, then we're not going to get a setup at all. Let's look at the 5. Maybe there's a setup there. Nope, still nothing. Unless we change character, close above this double highs, is equal highs, then this will be a breaker and we can use it to go higher. But that will be hard. It looks like we're about to get that breaker. Very skeptical about it though. LeBron, James. LeBron. Okay, 14 seconds to the close. Please give me something meaningful. Okay, let's... Bro, I'm actually not interested in this now. God. Okay, it gave me the close I wanted, but like that's still very low probability. So I don't see myself taking that. I do not see myself taking that trade. Do I take it for the plot? The plot chat? Let me just leave it. I'm not risking my capital. But let's paper trade it. See how we would have done. Bro, the risk reward on this is insane. I don't think I'm taking this, bro. It's a very weird trade. So no thanks. Here, here. So I'm going to end stream. There's literally nothing for me in the market, so it's just pure chop, and I'm bored of it, honestly. So see you guys tomorrow. But tomorrow being a Friday, we'll see. So see you guys tomorrow, either tomorrow or next week. I don't know. Bye bye, and if you find a trade, good luck. Personally, this chop isn't for me. Bye.